It looked like Wednesday Addams. Here we are in Glacier National Park, and we are hopefully making it to Canada today. We were hoping to make it to Canada yesterday, but with the road closed, we could not do that. This is where we spend the night. This is the bikes, what the bikes look like right now. It's really chilly. And I don't have perfect riding gloves, so I'm gonna put these gloves on top and call it, but definitely don't have the gear for this weather. Which kind of sucks, to be honest. The video does not make justice to how pretty this looks right now. But we're on our way! This is awesome! This is so awesome. We're making it to Canada today! Oh no! Do you have a napkin?
What do you need it for?
A bug exploded on the GoPro camera.
And you're recording this part? Great content.
Ew.
Yeah.
It's not coming out. Ew.
We left from St. Mary's Campground in Glacier National Park at about 11 o'clock in the morning. We were heading north to Chief Mountain border crossing. On our way there, Eileen saw a brown bear, but I didn't. She thought it was cute. I was kind of bummed I didn't see it. We got across the border. Everything went smoothly. Border agent was super nice. He said A lot, and we were on our way.
Hey, one at a time, please.
You guys are not going to believe this. Ah! We made it to Canada! I'm so excited. This is crazy. What's your name?
Rachel.
Rachel wanted to try it out. She looks great.
I'm so happy.
You should buy her one.
Yeah, you gotta get
Towards
one.
my birthday.
First real meal in Canada. First restaurant meal in a while. I don't think we've been to a restaurant so far.
Have Wi-Fi at the restaurants. I was able to be a screenager for a little bit.
I feel like a new person now that I'm in Canada. I swear.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Oh yeah. This is Prince of Wales Castle.
Wow.
So this is what we're gonna go in as. As this looks inside of it. Definitely out of the motorcycle travel budget. I think an eye here is like 600 bucks. Look at all of those people sitting there thinking they're better than us. They are probably better. Look at that. That's great views. Dude, we're in Twin Butte, Canada, Alberta. Running out of gas. Do you die if you drink that? Or do you just get really sick?
What? It was like 5 miles that I just spilled.
You don't realize how good this looks. You have chicken,
Beef.
beef. Morning. Woke up in Canada.
Canadistan.
Canada stand. You're not doing a goatee, are you? No, Sam, no.
Oh, it died.
It really died?
Oh no.
No, take the goatee out. No, Samuel! Please, take it out. We're at the Hot Cafe in Pincher Creek for breakfast. We're just gonna have some quick coffee and then hit the road. Pretty sure I forgot to show the coffees, but it was a great breakfast. What was that? Look. Incredible! Incredible! Looking real pretty, real pretty. This looks real bad. I don't know if you guys can see up ahead, but this looks really bad. That's north. That's exactly where we're going. And I do not want to get wet. And like, you can tell it's raining. This does not look very well, eh? After getting overwhelmed a little bit in Highway 22, we decided to take the back roads from Pincher Creek to Calgary, where we were hosted by Sharon and Dawn. We're making dinner for our hosts. They let us use their kitchen to make them dinner. Lemon salmon and this salad that is strawberry, spinach, and feta cheese.
Then I could run that ready rod through here and then...
That'd be perfect.
Gotta see how this thing will fit on here. Oh, the plan is put this new box on because this one, the Plano box, the lid doesn't hold together really well. So Island was going down the highway and like it was lifting up in the wind and stuff. The latches just aren't secure enough. So this one's waterproof. It's got the gasket in it, and I'm gonna put it as far back as possible so that Island can put like rain gear or like a roll of something in between here. Because here's how Island's new box turned out. Pretty sweet, sleek, low profile. Plenty of storage capacity. Only missed one time. But still need to fix her box. That'll happen tomorrow. And my bike needed some love too. So we took off the old broken Bass Pro Shop box. We stuck on the new Ozark Trail cooler. Should stay in there pretty good.
I'm just thinking like as you're bouncing down the road, but
Yeah.
you're pretty good.
With that brace across.
Wow.
Yeah.
That'll do it.
It actually has
And then here's our new garbage can in the back.
New garbage can? No way.
Whatever.
I don't like the bullets on it. I think it looks goofy. No way.
You forget like how useful I am. It was a couple of days ago, and she was like through the intercom. She was like, "I kind of forgot like that you like to go out and like do stuff and drive places and like see things and travel." Because like I just thought about you like as an office guy for the last year.
For a whole year, he's done nothing but go to the office. So
called life.
You
Right?
gotta
Yeah.
eat somehow.
Yeah.
this is my new saddlebag that's gonna go on the side right here. Box just came out.
Bike bags have these little clips in the back for attaching to rails.
Yes.
So I'm using some ready rod. You go through here, and then I'm going to put that tubing around it in the center so that the bike bag has something to clip onto.
Does that smell like fart?
Does what?
That smell like fart.
It does. And then when you're ready to go, we'll just... Oh, this one. Grab the...
Second improvement of the day. He's put in this dry bag. So after 3 nights staying at Dawn's and Sharon's, we're finally saying goodbye. It's really sad. This is it. That's it. We stayed here for 3 nights in Calgary, and they were the sweetest people ever.
Felt super at home, super welcome. Let us fix our bikes and have showers, and
They made us food, and it was great.
Wonderful people.
So I'm excited to meet new people on the trip, but it's definitely hard when you feel like you...
Be hard to beat. I got all these hippies living at our house.
Yeah. Now I have to host all these people. Yeah, bye! Thank you so much!
You're very welcome.
Love you
It was
guys.
good. It was good. It was good.
Wait,
There we go.
We are camping in Stander, Alberta. It has a population of 353 people, an area of 2.5 kilometers.
Square kilometers?
Overall, really nice. When I got here, there was a baseball game going on with a bunch of kids, and we really distracted them because it was probably the most interesting thing that has happened in Stander, at least for the last month. The Stander newspaper said that the campground was open like a month ago, and then it had no more news. So there you go. Yesterday on the public library, they did show Up the movie. That would have been really cool. I'm gonna turn around.
Yummy, yummy pasta.
All right. Who's excited for tomorrow? Me.